Okay, finding divisibility. We'll start with the twos. If something can be divided by 2, the last number will be an even number. 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. And this number is a 4, so this can be divided by 2. The last number here is an 8, therefore this can be divided by 2. The last number here is a 5, therefore it cannot be divided by 2. The last number here is an 8, this number can be divided by 2. Now let's look at divisibility by 4. Divisible by 4 means both numbers have to be divisible by 4. So this is 14. 14 is not divisible by 4. It's not in the 4 timetables. The last number here is 18. 18 is not in the 4 timetables. 25, last two numbers, is in the 4 it's not in the 4 timetables. So 25 is not in the 4 timetables. And the last two numbers is 0, 8, which is basically 8. That is in the 4 timetables, so that is divisible by 4. Next, we'll look at 5. To be divisible by 5, the last number has to be 0 or 5. That's not a 0 or 5, so this cannot be divided by 5. This is not a 0 or 5, so this cannot be divided by 5. This last number is a 5, so this can be divided by 5. The last number here is an 8, so this cannot be divided by 5. Again, we look for 0 or 5. Okay, now let's work with the 3 timetables. Divisible by 3. If I add the numbers and the number sums or adds up to a number in the 3 timetables, is divisible by 3. So 1 plus 1 is 2, and 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 is in the 3 timetables, so this is divisible by 3. 3 plus 1 is 4, and 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 is in the 3 timetables, so this is divisible by 3. 8 plus 2 is 10, and 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 is in the 3 timetables, so this is divisible by 3. 3 plus 0 gives me 3, and 3 plus 8 gives me 11. 11 is not in the 3 timetables, so we'll put an X there. Okay. Let's go to the 9 timetables. Oh, let's go to 6. The 6. So to be in the 6, you have to have the 2 timetables and the 3 timetables to be divisible. So since both are divisible, then this is divisible by 6. Since this number is both divisible by 2 and 3, it can be divided by 6. This number is not divisible by both 2 and 3, so it cannot be divided by 6. And this number is not divisible by 2 and 3, so this number is not divisible by 6. Okay. Lastly, divisible by 9. Divisible by 9, just like we do with the 3, we add up all the numbers and we see if the number is in the 9 timetables. So 1 plus 1 is 2, and 2 plus 4 makes 6. 6 is not in the 9 timetables. 3 plus 1 is 4, and 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 is not in the 9 timetables. 8 plus 2 is 10, and 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 is not in the 9 timetables. 3 plus 0 is 3, and 3 plus 8 is 11. 11 is not in the 9 timetables.